Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're at our fourth event of the Mitten Micro Crawler Club Winter Comp Series. Keep it high, Trent.
It'd be cool if it would drive high.
You're right there, Trevor.
Yep. Stuck between reversing and redoing it, but I think I want to.
Winch might be better.
I'm thinking winch. Yeah, I might just kind of put a winch maybe.
Woo! That was nice.
That was good. That's about the only choice, because if you gave it time to drop, you were going to be...
You can get your rear over further to the driver.
Yeah.
Well, kind of get it out over here.
Maybe. So it's up higher. Yep. And then just walk that sight line. If it'll stay up. Nice job, dude.
We're gonna put a winch on just because of the body roll. Something I can't control on.
All right.
These tires don't like that dirt.
Watch this game.
What? That's my ice.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, no. Trevor got the Trevor.
I got my own barrier.
That's how I eat donuts, too. Frosting first. It's the good part, ain't it?
Did he stick it?
No.
Hit the gate.
He does that with cupcakes.
I used to get in trouble for that, eating the flaky chocolate. And I don't like the squishy stuff. Yep. That's gross.
If there's icing in the middle of half of them.
Watch this side.
Pretty close to that.
Nice job, dude.
Back in.
Take a second winch. If you can let it down.
It's gonna slide down
Yeah,
if
I
he
can't.
lets off. Yeah, let's just winch through.
You could reverse and save it.
Yeah, that's probably the only way.
So there's no other,
You've
And
already
then
been through
it's-
that gate.
all the donuts, okay.
That's a dead gate.
No, that's a live
That's
gate.
the other side that's live.
That's live.
Oh, I'm looking here.
Nope. You got it, yeah. Just say keep pulling them in.
Your suckers are right there. Huh? Okay, well come give me a kiss.
What? Get your butt back here. You give mommy a hug and kiss.
Can you? We may
Hold
want
on,
to
hold on,
take
say that
the
again.
wedge.
Oh, Mom, the guys are here.
Okay, I'll do it.
She said sucker.
I,
You hook up at the front.
Well,
yeah.
you can't keep, it won't keep going from there? If you keep going and
You
then
slowly
jiggle?
let out and let me bite the corner. No, that's not.
I'm just surprised it's not pulling you backwards.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna cock him.
Yeah, it's-
Yeah.
All
Now
right.
you're gonna drive down.
yeah, I mean, I can go down.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, let's just let it out. You know.
Yep. Go ahead.
So see if
Try
you
and
can
keep
stay
it from
with them.
rolling.
Keep them up on so you don't get caught on that.
I am at max.
Can you lean it a little to that side?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah. Is that one of those words? Yeah.
Come on.
Sarah was asking us. She was just talking about that the other day.
I look at it as diligently as I probably should.
Well, you can go this way now.
It does kind of tell you, like, if you feel
I
like
guess
you're
you're
sick,
gonna
you can
have
check
to
your...
just let me down and
Yeah, because we're, I
That's all
think
you got.
we're hurting you more than anything else.
I forgot the whole
your question. Well, there's
You had a perfect run. He didn't get any points today.
Yep.
And you thought you were dropping your Brandon score.
I know, right? I was like,
Oh, you
Yep.
So I'm thinking,
wasn't all the way upside down.
You have to learn
I
how
don't
to
know.
control that is. He put the controller and it went over.
Yeah.
I want the winch on the back to keep it,
He's
you
got a
know,
gyro in that.
coming
Over.
down smooth, but the front's gonna want to go that way.
Can you grab the chassis right in the middle on the passenger side and pull it up and over?
Yeah, that'll work. Some of the links probably.
You have a reverse. Go ahead. Back up. Turn the other way.
Said I'm not going to.
Back up. Back up. Oh.
Well, we're gonna push it. Score is not that great right now. Get around. Hand the guy, hand the guy. Yep.
Setting up for a bloopers reel for the end of the.
God, you kidding me?
Just take the reverse, Trevor.
He's already got it.
Oh, okay.
That's the worst part.
We'll get down to this and you can walk up this. You can walk up through here.
Well, you get
That's about the
He's
reason I
stuck
bought
there.
another chassis.
He was stuck there for like 5 minutes
Yeah, a
probably.
good 5 minutes, and it cost me a bunch of points.
Turn your wheel.
Huh?
Turn your wheel. Jiggle. Jiggle. Be careful on that
Oh
one.
yeah, no
But
kidding.
jiggle, do it again.
I don't think I can. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit that
Just
if I
listen
do.
to me.
I'm just
Just
saying.
go slow. Either take the reverse or take the winch if you want.
Give me a winch, please.
That's impressive.
That's not so.
Now I'm like paranoid after all that. crap.
Truck looks so good. I said I love his truck. It looks so good.
Oh, I switched your things to warm.
Was it?
I even forgot about them up there.
Yeah, whatever you say there, bud. Wrap it up a little bit and put it down. There you go. You can do it a couple times if you need to, okay?
Very nice, dude. Very nice.
I'm gonna put it on that and I'll never clear one bit of the body roll is gonna be.
Lane says, "What lava rock?" Nice job, dude.
Lava rock can help or hurt.
I think there's little side gates on that boundary.
Help.
Helps.
They can, yeah.
I watched a couple times make it just by touching the stick instead
Just be ready to go. You need a winch stick? By Ray.
ours. I think it was in the table.
I winched down.
That's what I would have been at if I hadn't hit this gate.
I made it down that other one.
of. You made it down this other one?
No, this.
Oh, okay.
I think less than a
Mine's getting good. You know how much.
Man,
He's been beating all of our putts.
that tire is folded back there.
Yeah, winch. Just pull me out that way so I can go around again.
Jump over to the top and make it worth the while.
Yeah, somewhere in
Yeah. Heck yeah. I appreciate that, man.
I think we're gonna have to take a winch.
Oh, I like that handle on there.
Yep, I think I'm gonna take a winch.
I forgot you were talking to me. I was looking at that because I had that as my rear steer for a bit, and I didn't.
Probably can get right in there.
To where?
Yep.
Up here?
Yeah, that's good. Just get me up this thing and we'll see what we get from there.
Can I give you
What's
two
up?
cents? Take your rear and go that way with the winch.
Yeah,
Yeah, my drag. Just keep dragging the rear down the side of that hill.
right. You can get it either in there or in there.
I just don't want to see you drop down like you did with your 3, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. That's a good point.
Yeah, where'd you get that handle for that knob?
I printed it.
Okay. I'm gonna have to do something similar if I ever have a rear steer
Found it
again.
on Yagi. Go ahead and just say hook till we get around.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You need a judge?
I kind of. I'm gonna score 0, so.
How is that shot?
That's so sick.
What are you doing? You crazy driver?
Watch your rear here. Dang it. You take the winch?
Yeah, might as well.